Are you familiar with Transfer Me Sheets by Dress My Craft? Well, if you are not, then you get ready to be inspired. And if you are, get ready to see the large variety of sheets available. Hello everyone, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations. This video is going to cover and do a walkthrough the different sheets that we have, and then I'm going to link also a video on a step-by-step how-to tutorial, but they are super simple to use. This product is even great for kiddos, so it's something that you can do together with your children, your nieces, or your grandbabies, but the results are stunning and professional. So as you can see from those samples that we just watched, you'll be able to decoupage on anything, and I mean just about anything. The Transfer Me sheets are extremely versatile. They will work on ceramic, on glass, on wood, on metal, on paper, MDF, fabric, just about anything that you can imagine. So you can apply them on boxes, on dishes, on make door hangers, make journals, make book covers, make ornaments. The sky is the limit. Actually, I also have two videos on this. I will link them both here as well as in the description box, because we made coasters and we've also made a clipboard showing you how to use the Transfer Me sheets. And we are currently having a Dress My Craft challenge in our Facebook group, which is Spectrum Art Creation Friends. So when that is done, I will have a bunch of great photos to share with you guys as well of all the projects that all the folks in the Facebook group have completed. If you want to see more samples also for ideas and inspiration, you can watch the video that I am linking, which is the one for the coasters. And at the end of that video, the front half is going to show you how to apply the Transfer Me and some other techniques alongside. And then at the end, you're going to have a plethora of sample projects from Dress My Craft themselves. So I hope you enjoy this walkthrough to get ideas of the different sheets and variety that we have in store for you. Be sure to visit us, of course. Our online stores are spectrumartcreations.com and also Spectrum Art Creations on Etsy. And you can pick up a bunch of these amazing Transfer Me sheets. And if you want to, even join the ongoing challenge because you just might be the winner of either a free Transfer Me sheet or a gift card. So we definitely hope that you guys will check out those other videos and join the challenge. The challenge is very simple. 4 simple steps. 1, purchase one of our Transfer Me sheets. 2, create a project. It could be any project you're choosing, anything from a pillowcase to decoupaging on maybe some DIY home decor pieces, or a tag or a journal. Anything goes. And then 3, you'll need to post pictures in our Facebook group. And then finally 4, you will need to use the hashtag SACS. So SACS for Spectrum Art Creations, DMC for Dress My Craft 23. And I will put that right here on the screen for you guys to be able to have as a reference. And that's it. You can win free Transfer Me sheets by watching those other videos, and you can win gift cards by posting in the Facebook group. Of course, I will post all of the details for the giveaways in our Facebook group, and I'm going to pin all that information up at the top so it's easy for you guys to find. If you have any questions, please do leave them down in the comments. Be sure to check out the description box because I am going to leave links for number 1, the clipboard tutorial, number 2, the coaster tutorial, number 3, the Facebook group, and then number 4, the Transfer Me sheets that we have available in our online store. Oh, and by the way, before I forget, there is also a coupon code in the description box as well. So there'll be lots of great information linked in that description box for you and also available in the Facebook group. Please be sure to share this video with your friends and of course to repost in your crafty groups. We really appreciate you guys helping us to get the word because the more the merrier. The more people we have participate, the more gift cards and the more free Transfer Me sheets we're going to be giving away. So we look forward to hearing from you. Do you have a favorite so far? In all the sheets that I flipped through so far, is there 1, 2, or 3 that you are just dying to get your hands on? Well, you just might. So do let us know in the comments. And before I go, I would like to remind everyone to please join us this coming Saturday and every Saturday starting at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is when we do our live sales here on our YouTube channel. If you've never joined us for those, you definitely want to. A lot of fun. We bring out amazing, great products, do demos, play games, do giveaways, and we are going to actually be selling some of these Transfer Me sheets live too. So if you'd like to get your hands on some of these before that sale, do run to the store and pick your favorites up. And also, like I said, join us on Saturday. Super fun. You're actually buying product live. You get to chat with us, you get to ask questions, you get to make new friends and just have a really great time. So we hope to see you every Saturday at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Well, I hope this flip through the Transfer Me sheets has got your creative juices flowing. I hope you're thinking of all the possibilities. If so, quick, write them down before you forget. I know I do. The amazing projects that you can make are only limited by you getting your hands on some of these Transfer Me sheets. There really is a Transfer Me sheet for everyone, for any project. Whether your style is shabby or grungy, boho or cutesy or vintage, there is a Transfer Me for you and for that project. If you're a card maker, a DIYer, a home decor enthusiast, maybe you do journals, if you're just looking for the perfect gift or maybe a special occasion like wedding or birthday decoration, or maybe you make things to sell, these sheets are going to make that project look professional and they are perfect on all levels of crafting. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and to share with your friends and leave a comment down below. We look forward to seeing you in our store and of course in our live sales. Have a great day.